Hare Krishna. This article, called "The Art of Dying is Knowing How to Live," was published in the Hindustan Times on the 4th of June, 2003. They chose the title, "The Art of Dying is Knowing How to Live." Here is the article. How are you? Fine, thanks. Translation: Nothing horrible has happened to me today, or I feel dreadful, but who wants to know? Soren Kierkegaard said that people lead lives of quiet desperation. This existential thinking indicates that happiness is only skin deep, and fun is but a passing frisson, a glimmer, a shiver, an instant high, and that our real situation is one of ongoing anguish. As soon as a tooth is fixed, a computer glitch repaired, a disease cured, we feel ecstatic. But surely there is a pleasure that is more than the absence of pain. If eyes are the index of the mind or windows to the soul, then we can see from each other's face the state of his or her consciousness. Look around. What do you see? Against today's marketing push for instant everything, from transportation to breakfast cereal, the Gita 5.24 proposes a different kind of happiness, more to do with contentedness and satisfaction, instead of the excitement generated by drugs, sex, dancing, racing, gaming, sports, and romance. All these have a beginning and an end. Transcendental happiness, subtler but deeper and permanent, doesn't depend on external stimuli. Ancient wisdom holds that such happiness is an inner part of us. Some neuroscientists call it the God spot in the human brain, yet artificial activation of it leads only to temporary intoxication. The Gita 2.69 indicates that some regard this inner happiness as a hallucination or self-absorbed escapism. On the other hand, aspiring transcendentalists think that rationalism or the mechanistic reductionist vision is an exclusively earthbound creation. In spite of the many scientific and technological advances that have enlarged our range of creature comforts, progress is often regarded as iffy. Upward consumer mobility spawns unlimited desires and imposes endless choices, where formerly there was only a basic hierarchy of needs and a few simple alternatives. Living is a preparation for death. Dying is something that we have to experience, although its exact nature is generally unknown. But in that brief sleep, our future is determined. It's intelligent preparation for blue skies beyond.